great.
Cool,
That is great. Mark is always on the hunt as well.
Yeah, Mark, you think it's Edgewater, don't you?
Those were giant carps off of Edgewater. I'm sure of it right now. The Lake Erie sea monster. It's true. It's happened. Here's Mark's World of Weather. One of my favorite things to do where we visit social media and find out what's happening in your world. Take a look. ETL5150 says, hey, my fish Wiggins catching some rays. I've heard of a fish called Wanda, but never a fish called Wiggins. Very cool name. Here's Taylor. They're enjoying a great day at Cedar Point. They're on the Maverick there, taking this little selfie. Sent that in via Twitter. And I love this. J-Bags watching Joe Pags and Clean Socks, and there's Joe Paganakis. I love the fact that our viewers take selfies while they're watching News Channel 5. That is the coolest thing. Mark J. Weather on Twitter. Just post your pic right in my status, or Mark Johnson WEWS on Facebook. Just post the pic right in my status. I can put it right on TV. And if you see the Lake Erie sea monster, I want to see it because I'm going to show it on TV.
Oh,
It's there. Trust me.
You'll be getting some great pictures now.
Yeah, let Mark know.
Maybe Wiggins was the sea monster.